This 2026 Forest River Cherokee Arctic Wolf 287BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Muskegon, Michigan, 49442 and is offered for sale by Lakeshore RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, slide-out, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.